that we're supporting here today. And so when the whistle in ours goes up, we do a 32 seconds of silence before the race actually begins. The university held a memorial run every year.
It didn't very well start that race to run.
Just over 20 minutes. Some runners may still be walking the color off their clothes after the color run in Salem. This year's race started.
Perfect flying by, she almost dogs too.
There he goes back.
She is having a ball, ain't she?
People in Boston say they're ready for one of the biggest events of the year tomorrow, the 2016 Boston Marathon. Thousands of runners are traveling along with this year's race, but people who aren't racing are still getting involved in marathon activities. Visitors are even taking the weekend to see some of the city's major attractions.
I think they did do that time.
Birds, building this.
Run from here, and then, we go to a Red Sox game, watch that, and then obviously Monday is pretty special.
Boston is expected to bring in nearly $200 million from tourism. This year's Blue Ridge Marathon is in the books this morning. We'll have celebrations coming up in the sports. But it wasn't just the runners participating. Some the spectators see what brought them to the event. It's really beautiful outside, and so I think it's a great day for running.
Diana brought the dogs and few blocks to the course. That sort is a new road over. What did you see what the Blue Ridge Marathon Trust is all about?
There's just a couple blocks down the street, but I'm originally from Chicago. I just moved here, and this is kind of a new race for me. It's fun to kind of see what's going on.
Rich ran in 2012 and was thinking about running this year, but didn't. The main reason why? He left Saturday after